Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create the iconic Heath Ledger Joker makeup. First, prepare your face by ensuring it is clean and dry. Next, apply a white cream makeup, but do not aim for a perfect, opaque clown white. Instead, apply it messily, allowing some of your natural skin to show through. Use a damp sponge or your fingers to dab and smudge the white, creating a patchy, worn-off effect. Finish by lightly dusting with translucent powder to set the makeup, keeping a slightly greasy, unkempt feel. Now let's tackle the eyes and mouth. Take a black cream makeup and apply it generously around your eyes, smudging it outwards and upwards onto your forehead. This should look grungy and uneven, not neatly defined. For the signature smile, use a dark red cream or paint. Apply it to your lips, then extend it messily towards your ears, creating those long, slashed scars. Blend the edges with your fingers for a diffused look. You can add a touch of brownish purple to the center of the scars for an older, deeper appearance. Moving on to the hair, aim for a disheveled, slightly damp look. You can achieve this by adding some styling product and roughing it up. Next, apply a dull green hairspray or paint, concentrating on the ends and some mid-lengths, rather than coating every strand. For added realism, use a brown cream or paint at the roots to mimic a natural, unkempt base. Finally, for that extra layer of grime, lightly spatter black alcohol-activated paint across your face and hair for a truly dirty, roughed-up finish. To truly capture the Joker's look, remember that imperfection is key. As you apply the white base, scrunch your face to create natural cracks and wrinkles, allowing the makeup to settle into these lines. Don't strive for symmetry. The makeup should appear as if the character applied it himself, haphazardly. Let some of your natural skin tone peek through the white in areas. Use a fine brush with a bit of water to subtly enhance existing wrinkles or create new, fine lines, adding to the weathered effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.